Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to cover the top 5 apps everybody needs to have for 2025 on the Fire TV Stick. If you're a Fire TV Stick user, you're going to want to stay tuned for this video. Let's go. All right, so let's get right into it. The top 5 apps that everybody needs to have in 2025 for the Fire TV Stick. The first one, without a doubt, is Tubi. Now, Tubi is one of those apps that a lot of people overlook, and I definitely wouldn't. It has by far the most content on any app for the Fire TV Stick. Now, this app right here is in the Amazon App Store. It's completely free. It has tons and tons of movies. Guys, look at all these movies that are on here. I mean, there are so many movies on here. You could just go on and on and on. Not only that, it also has TV series. So if you go over to TV shows, you can kind of see everything that it has to offer. What kind of sets this one apart from a lot of the other ones, however, is the live TV. So if you go over to live TV, you're going to see it has tons of stuff. Where this is really a nice app is it has a lot of those national news live TV. Now, this isn't playback. This is actually national live news. For example, right here you've got ABC Live, you've got NBC News Live, you've got Fox Live. It just goes on and on. Tons and tons of live news. It also has sports. So you've got your Fox News, you got NFL packages, NBA packages, Major League Baseball packages. Guys, this is free. They don't charge for this. So Tubi by far is my favorite. And guys, if you don't mind dealing with a few ads, just like you would regular TV, suck it up, deal with it. Tubi's awesome. I would definitely recommend that one. It's gotten better and better year after year without question. Downloader is my second one. If you are looking to expand your Fire TV Stick to a whole nother level, add all kinds of really great apps, Downloader is the way to go. Downloader has the ability to sideload apps onto your Fire TV Stick, whether it's Kodi Cinema HD or any app that you want or you could imagine you can add to your Fire TV Stick just by simply unlocking your Fire Stick. And if you haven't done that already, I'm definitely going to be able to help you guys out. Just go ahead and look for my video on jailbreaking. And if you don't have that video or can't find it, just comment down below. In just a few seconds, we can get you all set up with your Fire Stick. But I'm going to give you one special code right now. Once your Fire Stick is unlocked, put this code in 72609. You're going to put that just right up here. Again, that's 72609. Pause this video if you have to. Do that code right there. I'm not going to get too much into it now, but it'll allow you to have basically anything you could ever imagine on your Fire TV Stick with that simple code right there. So that really is going to expand your Fire Stick to the next level. Now, once you start doing stuff on sideloading, you definitely want to protect yourself, and a VPN is the way to go. ExpressVPN is the one that I use. It's the one I've used for years. If you followed my channel, you know this is the one I recommend to my family, friends, and all of my viewers. There's a lot of benefits to having a VPN, and this one right here has even more benefits. So not only are you going to have the ability to protect yourself against things like hackers, but you're also going to be able to block those ads, redirects. A lot of those free apps that they have out there will have hackers in there that are going to redirect you to something you didn't want, and the next thing you know, they're hacking into your system. So this will block those ads, just improving your whole performance. And all you need to do with this app is just click one button and you're connected. Cool thing about this also is you can change locations. This really comes in handy if you're trying to get content from other countries, apps that are only available in those countries. I know there's a lot of apps only available in the US. Maybe you're in Canada or the UK and you want those. Well, you can just switch to a US location and now you can have that app and access that app. So it's really cool. It really comes in handy if you have a browser. We're going to talk about that in just a few minutes as well. So I would definitely get a VPN. Guys, ExpressVPN is the best one out there. It's the fastest one. It has, again, that ad blocker, which is something that most VPNs wouldn't even consider to add. So I will put a link to that down in the description section of this video. If you're watching this on a cell phone, just click the title of the video and you'll be able to see that link. That's going to get you a free trial. It's also going to get you a significant discount, like up to 3, I think maybe even 4 months free of it. So you definitely want to click that link. Again, I'll put that down in the description section. Get yourself set up, protect yourself, super important. That's the third one. Number 4, Plex. Plex is an awesome app. Now, if you just used Plex for one function, and that was to watch movies or a TV series or live TV, this alone would be a fantastic app. But it's more than just that. This is a full media center. So what I mean by that is you can actually upload content right to this. So your movies, you can download movies, you can put your movies, your collection of DVDs onto here and access them all through the media center here in Plex, and then you can access that from other devices, whether you have your phone or your tablet. So I travel a lot. I could be in Las Vegas at the Consumer Electronics Show, but I can still use my Fire Stick and access all of my media that's back home. which is really super cool. So Plex is a great option. But again, if you just use this for the live TV, look at all this live TV that's on here. This alone is worth it. And what's cool about Plex as well is with the use of a VPN, you can change your locations and get that much more live TV and that much more movies, which is kind of neat. Tons and tons of movies on here, guys. And again, changing that country in your VPN will just get you that much more. So I would definitely recommend Plex. I've been using it for years. It's very safe. Again, this is in the Amazon App Store. All these apps can be found right here in the Amazon App Store. Now, I did save the best for last, and that is the internet. Internet is super important, guys. This is basically just a browser. This is the Silk browser, the one that Amazon recommends. Having the ability to have a browser on your Fire TV stick is next level, because once you have a browser, you're basically turning your Fire TV stick into a computer. So literally anything you can ever imagine on the web, you can now watch on your Fire TV stick. So a lot of people use it for their computing needs. You don't even need a computer anymore because you have your Fire TV stick. A lot of people do it to stream sports. In certain countries, you can stream sports completely free, US being one of them. So you can access these websites like Fox and ABC and all those, and you can watch your sports completely free because you have a browser right here on your Fire TV stick. I will tell you the Silk browser is a little bit limited on what you can do. If you really want to go to the next level, I highly recommend getting the Chrome browser, which you can sideload through Downloader through that link, little code that I gave you earlier. Keep in mind though that when you do sideload Chrome, it only works good if you have a mouse cursor on your screen to access around the screen, whereas the Silk browser, you don't have to worry about that. If you do want a mouse, it's called a mouse toggle. You can download that on the downloader link that I gave you as well. That way you can access it easy, and then you can actually have full access to the Google Play Store if you have the Google Chrome extension. So that is something you might, it's just a little bonus. You can choose which one of these or even have both like I have. And then you have full access to the Google Play Store, which has even more apps than the Amazon Fire TV stick offers. I know that was like rapid fire to you, but I wanted to share those top 5 apps that everybody needs to have in 2025. The Fire TV stick is still relevant, still a great streaming device. Yes, there's lots of options out there, but for your bang for your buck and the ease of use, the Fire TV stick is an outstanding device, and it just keeps getting better. In fact, I'm even going to give one away, the brand new 4K Max. This is the brand new Fire Stick with 16 gigabytes of storage. I'm going to give one away to a random subscriber. All you need to do to enter is just hit that thumbs up right down below this video and comment something about the video, something you liked about the video. That comment automatically goes into a randomizer, and once this video hits 1,000 likes, I'm going to do the drawing. I do all my drawings on Patreon, so if you're not familiar with that, make sure you head over there. Put links to that as well down in the description of this video. You don't have to be a member or anything to access the drawing. I just post it on there for a couple days. So once it gets 1,000 likes, you definitely want to be notified. So you can sign up on Patreon and be notified when we do the drawing. And I'm going to give one away. This one right here, the brand new 4K Max. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Comment any questions you have about any of these apps. I'd be happy to help you. And if you need help unlocking your Fire Stick, it only takes 7 clicks of your remote. And people charge to do this for you. It's completely free and easy, and it's already ready to go. You just, again, 7 clicks of your remote, put it in developer mode, you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again, everybody. Bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.